Well, Wooly here. Guys, I'm just up having a bit of a overnighter. I just want to show you guys my the way I set up my tarp and my sleep system. Guys, everything goes into a dry bag and the tarp is stuffed in first, and the first thing that comes out of it is my ridge line, guys, so that I can put my ridge line up and everything just sort of hangs in the bag like this as well. Now, it's a long time since this has come out, so I'm hoping that it's alright. First camp of the year, you know. No, sorry, second camp of the year. First tarp of the year. As you can see, everything was very carefully put away. So long end out this way. Short end. Guy lines up. All I need to do now, I need to pull this out. Now, I need to be careful this end because we have a bit of a tree here. So these are all just on figure 4 tension knots. So I'll just put that there. Pull this one back. These might have to be retied actually. Oh, it looks alright. Okay, so figure 4 tension knot is sort of like it's like half a prusik knot, guys. I'll do a knot video at a later stage. So by pulling this tight, they just hold in place there. I'll actually take this back a little bit, like so. This one, more half hitches, guys. And I remembered I was prepared when I left these here the last time. There you have it, guys. Very simple, very simple setup. Very effective. So round the tree, pull tension, and put a couple of half hitches into it. And what I'll do is I will tidy up this loose end now. And that's it, guys. And that's how I set up my tarp. So yeah, thanks for watching. Stay frosty.